Hey guys, happy weekend, happy Saturday. We're here back on Main Street in Kennesaw at the Cruisin and checking out the bugs. And I think I see some old friends. Look at this. Who we got here? Oh, I know this guy. What's up, man? How you doing, buddy? Good to see you.
Good to see you, man.
How are things?
Good, man. Good.
Yes?
Good.
Come and check out the bugs?
Hey,
I love it.
this is my buddy. I was telling you about Renwick.
Oh, yeah.
Dugan, the one from Whittier.
Oh, yeah. Hey, man.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you, dude.
Great deal.
Is this your bug?
It is, sir.
Can I talk to you about it? Nice to meet you, man. Unbelievable. Like, I have so many questions. So what year is it?
64.
64. How did you get this 64?
Actually, it's funny. I was sitting in a music shop waiting for my son. He was taking music lessons, and a guy mentions, "Hey, I got a 64 Beetle for sale. Do you want to buy it?" And so said, "Show me some pictures." So we looked at it. It was completely wrecked in the front, and we made a deal and started putting it together.
You're telling me that there's a music store I can hang out at where people will offer me Volkswagen Beetles? Is that what I'm hearing?
Yeah, kind of.
That's the story I've learned from you so far.
Yeah, that's basically it. I was waiting for my son. He was taking drum lessons, and I'm sitting there with the owner and another guy who worked there. We're talking, shop. We're talking music. We're talking cars. Volkswagen comes up, and he says, "I got one sitting in my driveway. It's a 64. It's red." I said, "Okay." It had some funky 80s style interior in there that needed work. It was a mess of a car. Front half was completely wrecked. So,
Oh, it was all wrecked?
it was wrecked, yeah.
Oh, man. So what did you have to do to it?
We did a front clip on it the very first time.
Because the paint job and the finish is amazing.
Well, I appreciate you're too kind, and
It's
I appreciate
really, really
that.
cool. Like, I just love it so much. Look at this.
The only reason why it looks like this is because I couldn't afford a real paint job.
But see, what is it, Marcus Aurelius? The obstacle is the way. You had this problem, and you're like, I'm going to work through it, and you got something better because of it.
Yeah.
If it was a cherry paint job, it would be like all these other beautiful cars, which are great. But this one there's only one like it. It's a fingerprint, man. It's really, really cool. Wow.
The thing is that, like I said, I got the car, and we redid the front end. We did all the body work. We got it primed in black, and we got it ready for paint. I went to work in Canada for 2 years and didn't have time to drive it or maintain it. The car sat at home. I couldn't drive it, and then all of the primer started coming off.
Okay.
So I saw some cars that had some patina. I knew it wasn't going to be real. So I just got out into my driveway and I just started wet sanding the car. And I wet sanded it to get to this look here. And then a friend of mine says, "Hey, I can clear it for you."
Oh, yeah.
So I was like, all right, so let's go ahead and clear it. And was it going to go flat or were we going to go shiny?
It's like this orange birch sunbursting black.
Yep.
It looks like the nebula. Look at this, like stars coming through.
Yeah, and that's what I liked about it. And as soon as I put water on the deck lid and I started sanding it, it was like, oh, wow, it almost looks like it's kind of on fire a little bit. So it was like,
for sure.
so we just kept the look. It's different.
It's got the look, man, all day.
It's not a real patina car, hence why the license plate says Ratina. Ratina
I thought the name was like your mother or something or whatever.
Ratina, since it's not real patina, it's Ratina, which is handcrafted, ratty, rusty patina looking paint scheme. Sand it smooth, either with a clear coat or without it.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
So I've coined that.
Yeah, it's great. TM, right? Trademark pending. Can we look at the engines?
Horrible looking.
Dude, no, what are you talking about? It's a lot lower than I thought it would be. I thought
it is, and I'm not sure why it's sitting as low, but the thing is, it says I just got the car back. I gave the car to my son probably like 10 years ago. He drove it back and forth between home, school, work, that sort of thing. A couple months ago, he says, we're originally obviously from California.
Yeah.
He remained there when we moved here 8 years ago.
Whittier, you said, right?
Whittier,
Yeah.
correct. So he said, he calls me up 2 months ago and says, "Hey, can I send you the car back? I can't maintain it. I can't drive it. I can't do what I want to do."
Right.
Which we found out the truth is he actually has a daughter that's coming at the end of the year. So he didn't tell us that at that time. We said, yeah, ship the car back to us. Keep it in the family. This will be our beater. And when you move here, if you do, the car will be here for you. He goes, okay, great. So now that I've got it here, I'm going back through it. The motor needs some work. I just redid the brakes. I mean, I've given it a tune up and done some different stuff to it, but I've got to take it out during the wintertime and go through it completely.
Respectfully, Mark, I disagree with you. This motor is awesome because it's sweaty and real and greasy, and it's as it should be. When you open up, when I remember my bug, open the trunk, I get that smell. I'm like, this is what a bug should look like, right? A lot of these people have these beautiful cars, and it looks like furniture inside with like they're wiped down with baby wipes and stuff, which is fine. Yeah. But this is a bug. This is real. This is great, man. Look at this.
I appreciate it.
It's really, really cool. I dig it. I totally dig
It'll look nicer one of these days. You know,
or not, just leave it. I just because it's such a great thing. Can we hop inside? Is that cool?
Yeah, absolutely.
Look at these Safari window pop outs coming out here. This is so great. Oh man, yeah. I'm sitting in. Look at this. Down with the seatbelts, dude. This dash with the tail. Come on, man. That's fun.
That was something that my son found for me, but. The interior was done by a gentleman by the name of Cruisin Manuel.
Okay.
He does a lot of the Volkswagens, and that's all he does is Volkswagens. He's out of Los Angeles. Hence the name Cruisin Manuel, because he's like a rock's throw from the Los Angeles Coliseum.
Yeah.
He took some things that, like a friend of mine gave me the carpet kit and the headliner, which is 80s TMI stuff.
Right.
So it was with a better quality back then. And so he incorporated that into this. He made all of the seats and did all of the cushions and everything like that that's in it right now. And again, we're still kind of going through it. All the paint or the clear, I did the paint as far as sanding it, getting a wet, doing all the wet sanding. A friend of mine named Robert, he did all the clear coat for me and that sort of thing. So
I think this is the kind of car where you can do as much or little as you want, and it always looks great.
Yeah.
Right? If it's rolling, it's perfect. I know
it's not finished. We got, all that.
But this is the stuff you want to see, because if you wanted to replicate this look,
you can't.
You can't.
That is California sunburnt rubber right there.
Yeah, this is a California sunburnt bug. This is so great. Look at this. This is awesome. This texture is amazing, right? Like, it would take 30 years to do this in the sun.
I'll tell you. People would laugh at me because I'd always point out all my mistakes on my cars, and they would laugh at me. Hey, just don't say anything. I appreciate you right now because you're telling everybody about all my flaws.
I got you.
I
got you.
Right?
Well, this door. Okay, let's just talk mistakes. This door here has all this wear and tear where somebody would
So that's all good. I'm good with that.
But this is like where someone's wrist was sitting, because this has been driving through California.
Exactly.
Man. This is the car you're driving around. I can feel the ocean air.
Yeah.
I can see the views.
Right.
Man, this is what I want to do. Like, I want to go with Mark, cruising through Whittier.
Uptown Whittier is where you want to be.
Yeah, Uptown Whittier. It's awesome. And cruising around this car all day, man. This is great.
It's a fun car to drive.
Okay.
Very fun car to drive.
So you mentioned some things that you don't think are perfect on the car, and that's fine. That's your opinion. I don't agree with you. Whatever.
It's all good.
Yeah, I have my own opinions. I love it. If there was one thing or two things you could fix on your list to do, what to the motor, right?
The motor's number one.
Okay.
And then I think front suspension.
Ah, okay. I got to look at it now because I'm curious. Well, look at these wheels. The suspension is bad, but you lowered it, right?
Yeah, we lowered it. In fact, you interviewed my buddy there, Eddie, right?
Yeah, Ed's car is...
So I've known Eddie for several years. He actually sold me his beam that he had in another car. So it's a 4-inch narrowed with no shock towers on it. My son loved it because it was slammed. So I like it too. It works, but at some point I want to put shock towers back on it and maybe do some air ride or something like that.
Yeah.
And then obviously the motor I want done.
I love it, man. It's awesome. Thanks for chatting with me. Welcome to Atlanta.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
And hope to see another show sometime soon.
Yeah, definitely.
What a great car. Okay, I know we did this before already, but just one more time. This car is so great, dude. Oh man, look, she got it open in the back here. Look at this car, right? Unbelievable.
It's really cool.
Oh, a Ghia? Nice. Is this your Ghia?
Yeah.
Dude, I can tell by the t-shirt. Karmann Ghia t-shirt.
Of course, the only one out here.
Nice to meet you. I'm VW. I'm Cary. Cary, nice to meet you, man. Red Ghia?
Yeah.
With a roof rack?
Can't go wrong.
Get out of
with
here.
that.
Get out of here. This is awesome, man. Tell me about your Ghia. Where did you get it?
Yeah, well, I used to live in Florida, so I know growing up, my dad had one, and You know, so he used to take us to school. Me and 3 of my friends in the Ghia.
What year did you get it?
Huh?
When did you get it? What year?
I got this one in 21.
21. Okay.
Yeah, so I found it in Florida, and but it needed some work and everything. The rockers were rusted.
Okay, so all on the base here, right?
Yeah.
So when you got the car, there were some rocker issues.
Yeah, so both of the rockers at the bottom, they were all rusted out.
Oh, okay.
And I actually replaced the roof on it.
Oh, it's a new roof.
Yeah, so I was gonna do a black roof with a red bottom, but the roof was beat to death when I was doing the bodywork. So I just cut it down here, and it was the first time I've ever done that.
You're amazing. That's a lot of work. Wow.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. So these Karmann Ghias are notoriously bad for the lower 6 inches all the way around, right? We're usually rusted. Was that what you found when you got into it?
Yeah, I mean, it was pretty much, I would say that. I replaced the lower apron in the front, and then I stripped it down to metal. So I ended up having to replace this front headlamp bucket, and you know, they always get hit in the front. So
these poor noses.
Yes, but I beat it all out pretty good.
Yeah, look at these are great.
Yeah.
And this is not considered a low light Ghia. This is a standard.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I wish it was a low light.
Yeah, well, you know, people used to call this the poor man's Porsche.
Yes.
But these cars are so expensive now.
Yes.
It's a Porsche.
Exactly.
Congratulations.
Exactly. Yeah. A lot of times people don't know what it is.
Right.
You know, they're familiar with the bugs.
Sure. No, it's great. You don't get to see.
I did the interior, the headliner, everything myself.
Man, Karmann Ghia. And I'm sorry, you said the year was?
65.
65. This is sweet, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, this interior, look at this. Is this original interior, like the style?
No. Yeah, pretty much.
With the brick pattern and everything?
Exactly.
It's awesome. Wow, can I sit in it?
Yeah, sure. I got hurt.
It's a car, right?
Exactly.
Oh, wow. Awesome.
And I got I've done a lot of little touches with the steering wheel, the shift handle.
With the Ghia signature on it, is that original or?
No, there's a guy out in Florida that makes all these little, the door handles.
The little
and all
touches,
that.
right? All the accoutrements.
So even the footrest down there, he sells that too.
I love it, dude. I love it so much. This is awesome. And the little barefoot guy over here.
Yeah, you gotta have that.
That's great.
Most people don't, I ask my kids, oh, what's that down there? And they have no clue.
For high beam, low beam?
Yeah.
Kids these days, come on.
Yeah.
You did the line on everything, right?
I did headliner, yeah. Yeah, I can't afford to pay somebody, so I taught myself how to do it myself.
That's the part of this whole process people don't understand. Like this is what you do.
Exactly.
You're a Ghia owner, now you're gonna fix the Ghia, right?
Exactly.
And you did a great job. It is
that.
Beautiful. Yeah, look at these gauges. Wow.
Yeah, the gauges are all original. And then even these little knobs that came with all the other wooden items.
You saved a Florida Ghia, and Florida weather is not nice to old cars. These guys rust and crust from the ocean, and
Exactly.
It's a killer. It's a killer, and you did such a great job. How many months, years did it take from
It took a year and a half.
Yeah.
I don't play around with restoring cars. Some people they'll have the cars that say it took me 10 years, but you're not working on it for 10 years. So when I get a project, I want to see it done.
Sleeves up, elbows out, and you just worked it.
Get it done.
You did, man. You did. It's excellent. So awesome. Look at this. Watch this. Land it?
Yeah, you're not going to hurt it. Yeah, the seals are still pretty tight.
Yeah. So look at the vents in the back.
Yeah, that's for the speakers. And then I bought a bead roller, and so I made these filler panels back here.
Really?
All of that, yeah, because normally you can see right through to the inner quarter.
Yeah.
But I actually made those.
And you put the vent in there.
Yes.
Look at you, man.
Yeah.
Look at you. Okay, I see you. This is great. So again, I have no notes, but I'm sure as the owner, you're always like, oh, I want to do this one thing. So what are you thinking? What's on your?
Yeah. So now I'm kind of. This company sells like custom things, so you can get them. Put whatever you want on them.
Can I close it?
Yeah, sure.
Just want to get a shot of the back end. Wow. Okay, so I'm sorry. I keep asking the same question again. All right, so I'm just too excited, man. You don't often get to see a Ghia this nice on a show. Like, it's the only one here, right?
Yes,
so everybody understands or watching this is really rare to see this car.
So I'm kind of at the point where, all the major stuff is done. So the stuff that I want is usually a higher ticket item.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I want to change out the shifter. They have these shifters that are custom billet shifters. They're like, you know, around $300, that kind of stuff.
Oh, from like Cool Rides Custom or something like that, right? With the easy shift, it falls back into
And
linkage.
then I could, you know, some of these exhaust systems, they can be like $1,500. So I wouldn't mind doing something like that.
But it shifts great, and
everything works fine.
it's exhausted.
Exactly.
You're not exhausted yet, even though you've done all this work, which is amazing.
And then even, I mean, ultimately, I would love to put a bigger motor in it.
Really?
So it's a 1600 in it.
Okay.
Right now. But it's like this, the motor I didn't have to do anything to but clean it up. And so, but yeah, you know, you always would love more power.
Yeah. I love the roof rack.
Yeah, I haven't found another one like it, and they're super hard to find.
Yeah.
So I was on Facebook Marketplace, and it popped up, and I was able to snatch it up. So.
Can we go into a Ghia roof rack business right now and just start cranking them out and find all the Ghias and get them all these killer roof racks? You got the template.
Yeah,
Let's go.
It adds a little extra touch to it.
Man, what a great car.
Yeah, thanks.
You should be really proud of your work, man. I love it.
Appreciate it.
Awesome. Thank you so much for talking. I appreciate it, man.
Pleasure
Yeah,
meeting
it's
you.
great. Wow. It's nice, but what are you gonna wear? Bugs are ridiculous. The amount of work that people do in these cars, you gotta love it. The passion, the commitment. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys on the next one, and we're gonna be back here at the show again because there's just too many cars, too little time. Look at these.